Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add captions in Premiere Pro. So if you have edited a video in which you have the subtitles or the caption and you want to add them, I'll show you how it can be done. So simply open the Premiere Pro and then you have to import all the media that you want to use. Once you have imported the video, simply add up there. And once you have added the video, now here we have the text option. You can see all these options at the bottom. You can see this D option. You have to click onto it. This is basically the text option. After that, you have to simply select the place where you want the captions to be appear. Mostly they appear at the bottom. Therefore, I have selected this option at the bottom. Here, just simply write whatever you want to and it will appear as captions there. Further, as you add the text, you get some options to edit on the left side, like you can change its position, its color. There are so many different options through which you can edit everything. You can just simply make it bold, italic, you can change the font, size, color, placement, position, everything. So you can just simply manage all that from this left section where you can edit the text. Further, if you're adding the titles or the captions, then you have to add furthermore. So for that, you can again click on to the T option and simply move the cursor like the next part. And after that, you have to simply place it wherever you would like to. So like that, you can see it appears on your screen. Then you can add whatever you want to, like the next dialogue, the next line, whatever the next subtitle could be. Simply add like that. Then you can add text into it, like whatever your next text could be. You can add it and can simply select its duration, and further you can add it as per your choice that we have done with the previous text. So that's how you will be able to add captions in Premiere Pro. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.